All right, here's real quick how to do a table of contents. So the first thing I'm going to do is title my page. And so I'm going to title it Trial Table of Contents. Now, when you are looking at doing a table of contents, the trick is in how the text is formatted. So this is my title. So I want to come over here and choose it as title. The next one that I want to do is, let's say I have the first section of whatever document it is that I'm making. Now, right now, this is normal text. You can tell because it's normal text. I'm going to highlight it and make it heading 1. Now, if I think that's too big or small for heading 1, what I can do is highlight it, make it exactly what I want, bolded. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Let's go with 18. Okay, that's how I want my heading 1s to look. So I'm going to use that as heading 1. And when I come over here and do heading 1, instead of clicking to apply it, you can come down here and update heading 1 to match. So now anytime I use heading 1, it's going to look like that. So then I can do section 2, section 3, and as long as those are formatted as heading 1, then it looks that way. Now, after a heading, when you hit enter, you can just leave text. So and you could do that for each section. So you're putting in whatever you want. Now, maybe in this section, I have a subheading. So what I can do is maybe it's people, places, and things. So I would want those to be, I'll say I want them bold, and we'll give these a 14. And maybe I want them underlined. Okay, so these are my subheadings. So if I go here, I can go to subheading 2 and update subheading 2 to match that. And so now anything that's subheading 2 is going to look like that. And when I hit enter, I get normal text again. So some things, or here we'll do some people, some places, and here is some things. And now when I get to section 3, I can just add more normal text again. So more text here, and you can see how I'm kind of filling out my document. The key though is my title is formatted as a title. My main headings are formatted as heading 1. Text is always just normal text, but any subheadings could be labeled as heading 2 or even heading 3, and there's more options in there. So when you have it this way, if you want to add a table of contents, you go up to where you want the table of contents located. You click Insert, Table of Contents. Now, if it's an online document, you're going to want to choose the hyperlinked one. If it's a print document, you're going to choose the one with page numbers. I'm going to go ahead and do an online document. So I just click this one. Notice it puts a table of contents there with all of my sections, and I usually just label it Table of Contents. This is an easy way to assign students sections, to organize your work. And once again, the only key to it is make sure that you are assigning styles to each of your different heading types. And that's it. Hope this helps.